Statement of Cauchy integral theorem is if f of z is an analytic function inside or on the boundary of the closed curve C, then integral over closed curve C f of z dz is equal to 0. Parallel to these lines, we have Cauchy integral formula. Being into the engineering, we are mostly concerned with the statement of the theorems and not with the proof, because we will be moving ahead with the statement for solving the example. So it is just the application of the statement for solving of the examples. So there are two different kinds of formulas arising from Cauchy integral theorem. One of them is Cauchy integral formula. Other one is extended Cauchy's integral formula. The extended Cauchy's integral formula is purposely used when the factors are repeated, sort of. The same factor or the linear factor which is repeated. So here if you go through the statement, if f of z is analytic inside and on the boundary of the closed curve C. See, before this we have discussed about simply connected region, multiply connected region, simple closed curve, and not a simple closed curve, right? Simple closed curve is that which has no self intersections. Not a simple closed curve means it may have self intersection. So whatever uh, closed curve we will be moving ahead, it will be a simple closed curve. That means there will be no self intersections in between, so that starting point and the end point are same. So in a definite integration, if the starting point and end point is same, the resultant is surely going to be 0, and that is what the base of the statement of Cauchy's integral theorem is. So it is applicable for all those points which lie inside this region, inside this closed curve C, or on the boundary of this closed curve C. So wherever we come across with the closed curve C, we will be calculating it for the points which lies inside and on the boundary. So for that, the statement goes, if f of z is analytic inside and on the boundary of closed curve C, A is any point within C. So our C is nothing but inside and boundary of the closed curve. So for that particular thing, the integrand goes as integral over closed curve C f of z upon z minus A dz, which is written as 2 pi I into f of A. Now I told you that the also circumference of a circle is 2 pi r something. Therefore, this factor 2 pi comes into the picture. F of a is nothing but value of f of z at z equal to a. So accordingly, I will be simplifying this integration as 2 pi I into f of a. See, complex analysis or this function of complex variable enables us to solve the complicated integrals without actually applying the process of integration. I will not apply the earlier learned methods of integration, say substitution, partial fraction, etc. I will be just implementing the theorems or applying the formula to get the value for those complicated integrals. Then, if I consider this particular integrand completely as g of z, it will be f of z upon z minus a. How to get these poles or how to get this point? Equate the denominator to 0. So z minus a equal to 0 will give you z is equal to a, which is said to be pole of this g of z or singularity of g of z. Extension of Cauchy integral formula will be for the here if you observe, the factor in the denominator is linear. Why I am saying it as linear? Because variable का degree of power कितना है? 1 है. What is coefficient of this z? That coefficient is also 1. So in that case, this is a linear factor. But when it is linear repeated means z minus a into z minus a. So what does it becomes? It becomes z minus a square. So this can be called as, apart from 1, the power or index over there is 2. That means it is z minus a whole square. So we say that it is linear repeated. So extension of Cauchy's integral formula is applicable for the linear repeated. If f of z is analytic inside and on the closed curve C with point A, within C, whatever is the order, we generalize it with as n. Then f of z upon z minus a to the power n plus 1 dz is 2 pi I into fn of a upon n factorial. How is fn of a? Fn of a is nth derivative of f of z at z equal to a. But this is n plus 1. So every time whatever will be the power, say 3. So I will have to purposely write it as 2 plus 1, and then this will be written as n plus 1, and value of n comes out to be 2. So it is bit difficult to remember. So what we do, we use the generalized form for simplicity in our language. What is it? F of z upon z minus a to the power n. So whenever there is n plus 1, the order over here is n. Whenever it will be n, it is n minus 1. So what it will be? 2 pi I into f n minus 1 of a upon n minus 1 factorial, where fn minus 1 of a is dn minus 1 upon dz n minus 1 of f of z. Suppose n is 3. So what will be n minus 1? It will be 2. Simply here what we calculate by splitting it in this manner. So accordingly, the answer here also will be same. So you purposely or keep in mind this particular formula for solving the examples. Write down the first question. Evaluate line integral over C z dz upon z square minus 1, where C is positively oriented circle and circle is given by mod z is equal to 2. Clear? Om Pratap Singh, are you there or lost the connection? All of you have written down the example. That is main part or major thing. Then we can discuss it slowly, as it is the first problem. We term it as or call it as master problem. Listen to what I am saying carefully. Understand each and every point minutely, so that you won't find any difficulty solving the remaining examples later. Noted down the question. Now see, how is the curve or the region given to us? C is positively oriented circle. Now why I am calling it as a circle? You will always come across with the notations in this kind. Notations in this kind means mod z is equal to 2. The region whichever will be given to you, or the closed curve whichever will be given to you, is mostly in the form of the circle. Now, from the complex variable equation, how I can identify or determine the circle? So what you need to do, take this equation mod z equal to 2. We know that z is equal to x plus iy is a complex number. So whenever we say z is equal to x plus iy is a complex number, modulus of z we have written it as under root of x square plus y square. So whenever we have the modulus of this z, we write it as or take it as under root of x square plus y square. So on the left hand side, I write it as under root of x square plus y square is equal to 2. Squaring both sides, what it will give? X square plus y square is equal to 2 square. If you remember, it is compared with the equation x square plus y square is equal to r square, right? So what is the radius over here? Radius over here is 2. So this is a standard form of the circle, where the circle has center as origin and radius is equal to 2. So similarly, for this particular region given to us or provided to us, mod z is equal to 2, I can interpret it as a circle having equation x square plus y square is equal to 2 square, which says that circle with center at origin and radius equal to 2. So how it will be a region or the picture will be a circle is always a closed figure, and integral formula or integral theorem is always applicable for the closed curve. So inside and on the boundary wherever the points are lying, we are easily finding out the points and determining the integration with the help of the Cauchy integral formula by applying Cauchy integral theorem. So I think the interpretation for the region is clear. Whenever we discuss with some other regions also, it will be more clear as per the examples, right? So this is a circle with center at origin and radius equal to 2. So how it will be drawn? It will be drawn in this manner. Here it is the origin, which is the center of the circle, and accordingly I will be taking down the radius of it. Radius keeping the steel point, here, and radius is equal to 2. You just move the thing. So this will be a diameter which will be having 2, so twice of r. So the point over here is 2 comma 0. Here the point will be y-axis. So in y-axis x coordinate is 0, 0 comma 2, and so on. Fine. So this is how we can easily plot the circle, draw the region, and get to know whether the points are lying inside or outside or on the boundary of the closed curve C. Now look at the denominator, f of z upon z minus a. This is g of z is equal to f of z upon z minus a. Here for this particular quantity I will be applying the Cauchy integral formula, but it is in the quadratic form. I want the factors as linear, right? So I write this z square minus 1 as z plus 1 into z minus 1. Apply partial fraction method for simplifying or splitting it, partial fraction method for splitting it into appropriate quantities. So this z upon, keep the numerator outside, 1 upon z plus 1 into z minus 1, that will be compared with a upon z plus 1 plus b upon z minus 1. This is how we solve it by partial fraction. Then you take the LCM and find out the value of this. या मैंने बताया था when there is a factor with same quantity opposite sign, do the subtraction with negative factor as the one and adjust the constants as it is. So partial fraction method say we get 1 by 2 outside, 1 upon z minus 1 minus 1 upon z plus 1. See, if you take the LCM over here, it will be z minus 1 into z plus 1. Numerator will become z plus 1 minus of z minus 1, right? So this will become z plus 1 minus z plus 1. So z is getting cancelled, but 1 plus 1 is 2. So to cancel out this 2, I multiply by 1 by 2. That is how the oral method is for obtaining the partial fraction step, by looking at the factors. So whenever the factors are same but with the opposite sign, keep the negative factor as the first one and take the subtraction of the two, adjust the constant. Otherwise, if you are not able to click this on time, what you have to do is you directly take this as the term and simplify, because requirement of the Cauchy integral formula is denominator should be a linear factor. So after simplifying this, keeping z outside, it becomes 1 upon z plus 1 into z minus 1 becomes half integral 1 upon z minus 1 minus 1 upon z plus 1 whole multiplied by z dz. Simplify. Half z upon z minus 1 dz minus half z upon z plus 1 dz. Now it can be compared with f of z upon z minus a. F of z upon z minus a. Though it is z plus a can be written as z minus of minus a. So you get the terms appropriately. So we take it as g1 of z, g2 of z. What is g1 of z? Z upon z minus 1, where it is f1 of z upon z minus 1. This is g2 of z. What is g2 of z? g2 of z is z upon z plus 1, where I term it as f2 of z upon z plus 1, right? So the poles are respectively given by z minus 1 equal to 0 and z plus 1 equal to 0. So we usually compare or take denominator equal to 0. Here also you have to take denominator equal to 0. I just now in the earlier slide we discussed that how we calculate the poles or singularities. Poles or singularities are obtained by equating the denominator to 0. So here also I will have to equate the denominator to 0 in both the cases and then see whether those poles are lying in the region. Now what is the region? Region given to us is a circle with center at origin and radius equal to 2. So whether these poles which are obtained are lying inside or on the boundary, then only we can apply the Cauchy integral formula. Otherwise it is not applicable for the poles which are lying outside the given region. So here we simplify for g1 of z and g2 of z. Poles are respectively given by z minus 1. g1 of z has z minus 1 equal to 0 and z plus 1 equal to 0. What is that giving you? Z is equal to 1 and z is equal to minus 1. Fine. As I told you how we will be obtaining the region, z is equal to x plus iy. Mod z is under root of x plus under root of x square plus y square. Mod z का whole square क्या हो जाएगा? Squaring both sides, x square plus y square. So this region becomes x square plus y square is equal to 2 square. That means I can compare it with that with as x square plus y square is equal to r square. So here from the given circle, center is origin, radius is equal to 2. So this is your origin. Take the distance of 2 centimeter or 2 units. Draw the circle. So it will cut the x-axis at the point 2 comma 0. It will cut the y-axis at the point 0 comma 2. It will cut the negative side of x-axis as minus 2 comma 0. Negative y-axis at 0 comma minus 2. I hope this much is clear. Interpretation of the region from the given point and finding out the poles from the given denominator. Is this part clear to everybody? If you have any doubt, kindly ask me right now. Since it is the first example, we have to be very alert to understand the minute thing of the solution. Is it clear? Please let me know so that I can move ahead.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Atharva Mariwar, Chanakya Patil, Nisarg Jadhav.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Prajesh, ठीक है? So noted down this particular thing. Now, what are our poles? 1 and minus 1. See, z is equal to 1. But what is z? Z is x plus iy. So 1 can be written as 1 plus 0i. So what is ordered pair xy? Ordered pair xy is 1 comma 0 minus 1 comma 0. And see, our boundary is up to 2 comma 0 and minus 2 comma 0. So 1 comma 0 will be lying inside somewhere here. Minus 1 comma 0 will be lying somewhere here, right? So accordingly, from the given poles I will be obtaining the points or the coordinates. So you know that z, whenever it is a complex number, it is also the ordered pair x comma y. So x is a real part, y is the imaginary part. I hope this part is also clear, how to determine the coordinates from the given poles. And from the region we can easily say that yes, it is lying inside the circle, because boundary kahan tak hai? 2 तक है, 2 and -2, right? So accordingly, whatever are the poles, z is equal to 1 means 1 comma 0, z is equal to -1 means -1 comma 0. These both poles are lying inside. So whenever it is lying inside or on the boundary, I will be applying Cauchy integral formula. Since the denominator is a linear factor, we will be applying the first Cauchy integral formula. Whenever it will be repeated, we will be using the extended Cauchy's integral formula. So for this z upon z minus 1, g of z, if I consider this as g of z, it will be f of z upon z minus 1. What is your f of z? Numerator z. What is our pole? Z is equal to 1 is a pole. So simplification is 2 pi I into f of a. But what is f of a? F of a is 1. How you calculate f of 1? F of z at z is equal to 1. What is f of z? Z. Z के जगह क्या पुट करना है? 1. तो क्या बनेगा? 1. तो 2 pi I into 1 is 2 pi I. क्लियर? वैसे ही यहां पर क्या आएगा? z is equal to -1. What is f of z? F of z is z. So f of z at z is equal to -1 will be -1. 2 pi I into -1 is -2 pi I. क्लियर? एनी डिफिकल्टी इन दिस? अभी ये दोनों का सब्ट्रैक्शन है, अगर आप देखोगे तो बाहर कितना मल्टीप्लाइड था? हाफ. तो मैंने हाफ भी कर दिया. क्या हो जाएगा? हाफ इंटू 2 पाई आई माइनस हाफ इंटू -2 पाई आई. इट बिकम्स 2 पाई आई. तो फाइनल आंसर क्या आ रहा है इसका? 2 पाई आई. माइनस कैंसल नहीं होगा, माइनस ऑफ माइनस विल बिकम प्लस. 2 पाई आई प्लस 2 पाई आई 4 पाई आई. बट बाहर वी हैव टेकन आउटसाइड हाफ while resolving it by the partial fraction. So 4 pi I का हाफ क्या हो जाता है? 2 pi I. So final answer comes out to be 2 pi I. Clear? I hope everybody is noting down stepwise properly. Any difficulty? बात करिए क्योंकि मैं देख नहीं पाता चैट बॉक्स. Is it okay? The very first example is clear.
Yes,
How
sir.
we have to interpret the region. Okay. Girls में Janvi is there or only Kia is joined? So in this case, interpretation of the coordinates, finding out the region, that is important. Applying the formula is not a big task or the difficulty, right? So accordingly, we will be getting down the answer as 2 pi I. Noted down. Mandar Bhatkar है?
Yes, sir.
हो गया बेटा लिख के?
हाँ सर.
ओके. यथार्थ, तनुल,
Yes, sir.
गौरव, तनुल टेम्बेकर, गौरव, कुणाल, दिगमंदार.
Yes, sir.
ओके. अंशुल बिवगड़े, जम रहा है बेटा? चलो राइट डाउन द नेक्स्ट. ओके. Evaluate integral over closed curve C cos pi z square upon z minus 1 z minus 2 dz, where C is the circle, mod z is equal to 3. So g of z is equal to like this. न्यूमरेटर हमेशा अपना क्या होता है? f of z. डिनोमिनेटर को इक्वेट करना है 0 से, so you get the poles. Circle mod z is equal to 3. mod z का मतलब होता है अंडर रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर. So under root of x square plus y square is equal to 3, means x square plus y square is equal to 3 square. So x square plus y square equal to 3 square means center of the circle is origin and radius equal to 3. Radius equal to 3 means coordinates कौन से आएंगे? 3, 0, minus 3, 0, 0, 3, 0, minus 3. Fine. आराम से लिखो. So first you simplify the region. Poles are given by this. Product is 0 means any one of the term is 0. Z minus 1 is 0 or Z minus 2 is 0 means Z is equal to 1, Z is equal to 2. Poles are lies inside because this mod Z is equal to 3. ये लिखा है. Note it down up to this. See another way, some other way also we can interpret the region. I will just share that with you. If you have reached up to this, please tell me. I will describe another way of interpretation of the region. ये लिख लिया क्या बेटा स्क्रीन पे जो दिख रहा है? Right up to this. Poles z equal to 1, z equal to 2 lies inside the circle. Mod z is equal to 3. Mod z equal to 3 है तो circle with center at origin, radius equal to 3. यानी coordinates आएंगे 3, 0, 0, 3, minus 3, 0, 0, minus 3. यहां तक आप कर लीजिएगा. Before this, I told you that completed up to this. Shall I tell about the region? Another way of interpretation of the region. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, mod z को अभी तक अपन क्या लिखते थे? I was telling you modulus of z is under root of x square plus y square. That is due to the complex number theory. We know. So under root of x square plus y square is equal to 3. So it becomes x square plus y square equal to 3 square. बराबर है. But another way of writing that is mod of z is equal to 3. Write z as x plus iy. Since there are no other constants, I can take x as x minus 0. I can take y as y minus 0. And after removing this modulus, I take the square. So x minus 0 the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square is equal to 3 square. It can be compared with the standard equation of a circle. Yeah, general form of the circle. What is that? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. What are h and k? H and k are center. What are these coordinates? H comma k is the center, r is the radius. That is what we can interpret or write the region in another way. I hope this is also clear. Directly we know z is mod z is under root of x square plus y square. But always region will not be given to you as z plus z, mod z is equal to 3. Sometimes it can be mod of z plus 2 equal to 3. Sometimes it can be mod of z minus I equal to 3. So in that case, this way of interpretation of the region will help you appropriately, right? So whenever simple mod z is given, take under root of x square plus y square directly. But if it is not, suppose I said that mod of z plus 2 equal to 3, yeah, mod of z minus I equal to 3. So in that case, all other calculations will also change. For that, keep this box in mind. We will be going by this interpretation or the simplification or the calculation. So z is to be written as x plus iy no other constant, so I write it as x minus 0 plus I times y minus 0. अंडर रूट हट जाएगा, स्क्वायर करेंगे तो इट बिकम्स x माइनस 0 द होल स्क्वायर प्लस y माइनस 0 द होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 3 स्क्वायर. सेंटर इज h comma k. Compare with the general form, x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Center is h comma k, radius is r. What is here center? 0 comma 0. माइनस है ऑलरेडी, माइनस के साथ ही कंपेयर होगा. सो हमेशा ये सर्कल क्या बनता है? सेंटर एट ओरिजिन एंड रेडियस इक्वल टू 3. So that is how it can be done in this way also. Clear everybody? Now go by the earlier methods. What we have to do? F of z is equal to cos pi z square integration of closed curve C g of z dz f of z upon z minus 1 into z minus 2. As it is the product, again split it with the help of the partial fraction. Product is to be written in addition or subtraction with the help of the partial fraction method. So I take it as 1 upon z minus 2 minus this. If you see, the denominator becomes z minus 2 into z minus 1. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन क्या देगा? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन देगा z minus 1 minus of z minus 2. यानी z कैंसल, माइनस 1 प्लस 2 देता है प्लस 1, यानी बराबर है whatever. या मैंने बताया a अपॉन z minus 2 प्लस b अपॉन z minus 1. ये सॉल्व करके आप पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन से a और b का वैल्यू निकालिए. 1 and minus 1 will be the answers. Term with the help of partial fraction. Partial fraction reduces or breaks the product into addition or subtraction. So f of z को बाहर रखते हुए 1 upon z minus 2 minus 1 upon z minus 1 in this way. Open the brackets. Individually this will be first term, this will be second term. What is f of z? Cos pi z square. By Cauchy integral formula, if both the poles are lying inside, it gives you 2 pi I into f of a. What are the poles here? 1 and 2. 1 and 2 are lying inside 3 comma 0 and minus 3 comma 0. 1 means 1 comma 0, 2 means 2 comma 0. Both the poles will lie inside this region. So individually we can apply Cauchy integral formula. For this particular step or term, it will be 2 pi I into f of a. What is f of a? F of z at z equal to a. F of z क्या है? Cos pi z square at z equal to 2 minus 2 pi I into f of z at z equal to 1. Z के जगह 2 डालिए. 2 square is 4. Cos 4 pi is 1. Cos pi is minus 1. So 2 pi I common, cos 4 pi minus cos pi, answer comes out to be 4 pi I. So this here directly I have written, it is 2 pi I into f of a. Clear? Please go through the steps. Any doubt, you can stop me. I hope everything is clear. Any difficulty? Anybody is having any doubt? Has everybody understood? Able to write simultaneously along with listening what I am saying? Is it okay? So final answer comes out to be 4 pi I. G of z means original question. So अपन ने देखा होगा, आपने इंटीग्रेशन एज सच बहुत अप्लाई नहीं किया. We applied the concepts related to complex analysis or complex variable to get the integration solved. Clear? Is it okay? So the answer is 4 pi I. In the initial question, the answer was 2 pi I. Here it is 4 pi I. So the example is cos pi z square upon z minus 1 z minus 2 dz as 4 pi I. Note down the next, those who have finished the earlier. Evaluate integral over closed curve C e to the power 2z dz upon z plus 1 to the power 4, where C is the circle mod z is equal to 3. Where C is the circle mod z is equal to 3. Mod z is equal to 3, standard form under root of x square plus y square equal to 3, x square plus y square equal to 3 square. Circle with center at origin and radius equal to 3. Repeatedly we are dealing with it. Now here if you see, here it is repeated factor. Means which formula will be applicable? Yash, which formula will be applicable here? Mandar? In this particular example, which formula will be applicable? Any one of you? यश और मंदार? कैसा है डिनोमिनेटर? डिनोमिनेटर इज अ लीनियर रिपीटेड फैक्टर. z plus 1 to the power 4 means z plus 1 into z plus 1 into z plus 1 into z plus 1. Right? So which formula is applicable? बोलो जल्दी. Cauchy's integral या extended Cauchy's integral?
Cauchy's integral, sir.
Cauchy integral?
Hello, sir.
हाँ.
Extended of Cauchy's integral formula is applicable here
Why?
because integration of f of z upon x z minus a to the power n plus 1 is given, no, and the
Yes.
power is to the power 4 is given. So extended
Okay.
of Cauchy's
Right.
integral
Right.
formula.
Right. 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 ठीक है. So g of z is equal to, मंदार ध्यान दो, g of z is equal to e to the power 2z upon z plus 1 to the power 4. Poles of g of z are given by equating denominator to 0. Z plus 1 equal to 0 क्या देगा? Z equal to minus 1. But how many times it will give? 4 times. So I call it as a pole of order 4. In general we write it as order n. So here it is not a simple pole. सिंपल पोल किसको बोलते हैं? जो एक ही बार आता है. जो रिपीटेड होता है उसको ऑर्डर उतने बार की बोलना है. So z plus 1 to the power 4 equal to 0 means z is equal to minus 1 of order 4. Now z is equal to minus 1 यानी क्या हो जाएगा? x plus iy, sorry it is minus 1, x plus iy is equal to minus 1 plus 0i means what is your coordinate here? minus 1 comma 0. minus 1 comma 0 इसके अंदर लाई करता है क्या? यस. राइट हैंड साइड में 3 comma 0 तक बनेगा, लेफ्ट में minus 3 comma 0 तक बनेगा रीजन. तो यहां पर minus 1 comma 0 विल लाई इनसाइड. आप इसका सर्कल अगर निकालोगे तो सर्कल कैसे बनेगा? Center at origin, radius equal to 3. So this will be 3 comma 0. Here it will be minus 3 comma 0. Clear? So accordingly we can have. ठीक है? So the poles are lying inside. अभी फॉर्मूला क्या कहता है? उतने बार डेरिवेटिव. I told you we will be preferring the second formula. Second formula में n क्या है यहाँ पर 4. So n minus 1 will be 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So we will be having the differentiation of f of z 3 times. F of z is e to the power 2z. F dash of z is 2 e to the power z. E to the power 2z into 2. E to the power 2z into 2 into 2 यानी 4 e to the power 2z. और फिर बन जाएगा 8 e to the power 2z. So accordingly, this is how the derivative is. So e to the power 2z upon this, compare with f of z upon z plus 1 to the power 4 dz. Extended Cauchy's integral formula क्या formula है? 2 pi I upon n minus 1 factorial यानी 3 factorial into dz dn minus 1 upon dzn minus 1. So it will be triple dash of z at z equal to minus 1. I have already calculated the third derivative, right? So that is how we will be substituting. 8 e to the power 2z, z को क्या पुट करना है minus 1, तो क्या हो जाएगा 8 e to the power minus 2. 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1 means 6. Simplify and get the answer. I hope everybody has written up to this. क्या बताना चाह रहा हूं मैं वो समझ गया क्या? ये प्रॉब्लम कैसा है, इसको सिंप्लीफाई कैसे करते हैं? हिमांशु,
यस सर.
समझ में आ गया? लिख लिया?
यस सर.
ओके. भविष्य साहू,
Yes, sir.
noted down everything? Any difficulty?
नो सर.
Okay. ओम प्रताप सिंह, श्रेयस गायकवाड़, तनुल टेम्बेकर,
Yes, sir. Written all the
Okay.
things.
तनुल टेम्बेकर, ओम प्रताप सिंह, अभी यस बोला है उसने.